Hello everybody, I am just doing some gold leafing here, so I thought I would come on real quick and just show you. I've done this before, so this probably is a repeat, but that's what I'm doing right now, so I won't be on here very long. Just show you real quick how to do leafing, and this is similar to using foil. So I'm just using, I already put on my glue. So you put your glue on and then you wait about 30 minutes at least to before you put your leafing on. And I'm using a really bright gold leaf. This is actually 24 karat gold. It's not the imitation stuff that you normally see in the stores. I wanted something really bright, and this leafing, this kind of gold leaf is very bright, so it's just the right, it's super bright, which is what I wanted. And this is how it comes. It's actually, I actually order this from, is it Thailand? Yeah, Thailand. And you can get this on Amazon. And it is, as you can see, tiny. So it's not the normal size of leaf. Normally the big packets that you can buy at Hobby Lobby and everywhere are this big. So you can see this is very tiny, and it's tiny because it's actually solid leafing. Solid leafing is 24 karat. And that's why it is brighter than the normal leafing that you can get at the stores. So that's what you buy if you want a really bright gold leaf. You buy this kind. If you wanted to put something underneath here to catch the gold, to reuse it, you could do that, but I'm not going to worry about catching it. I've got lots here. I have a huge, this is how it comes when you order it. It comes in this tiny little bag. So I think I have enough to do 4 of these. There's 4 of these on this table, and on this, let me move the camera just a little bit. So right here, I think I'll do something else. So I think I have enough to do this section here. So that's how it comes from Amazon. And when you're looking out on Amazon, you want to make sure you get the one that says from Thailand, if you want the kind that's this bright. It's very messy, but it is definitely worth the mess if you like the bright kind. And you want to make sure you check your packs because, you know, it's pretty easy to take 2 and not realize that you've got 2 here, and then you're going to throw away 1. So don't do that. Make sure you check every single piece of paper because you do not want to waste this gold leaf. You don't want to accidentally throw this gold leaf away. It's you know, it costs more money. Make it look so easy. I tried it yesterday and made a complete mess, so instead I used gold rub and buff. Well, I'm not quite sure. I don't know, what were you having a problem with? Because Yeah, I don't know, not quite sure how it would, it is a mess. I make a mess. It's definitely a mess. That's part of the process. So don't worry about the mess. Yeah, the Rub and Buff gilding wax is easy to use, but the mess here is part of the process. So don't worry about that. It's just what this does, it gives you much better shine than Rub and Buff does. So if you're looking for something, and this is a little bit more, this is more authentic than gilding wax. So this is way more, what's the word? I don't know. It's more authentic. It's kind of sort of fancier. It's good if you're kind of going for that, especially if you're trying to do French country. You're going to want to use gold leaf. It's just kind of a higher standard, you know, than the, and I love waxes. I use the gilding waxes all the time, but there's just nothing can beat this look of real gold leaf. And if you have a little brush like I'm using here, you can kind of push it down with your brush. And then once I'm totally done, I'll go over everything with a bigger brush and I'll brush it all off. So wherever you put the glue, the gold leaf is going to stick. So you have to, if you don't want, you know, if you don't want any gold leaf up here, then you want to make sure that you're not putting any of the glue up here. And this is the glue I use. I know it's backwards. It says leaf and foil size. So this word size is often used when you're looking for the glue for the leaf and the foils. The word size. So you don't have to get, this is Artisan Enhancements. It's a really good company. You can order online, but you can get size at Michael's. So if you just want to go to Michael's and buy it, I think Martha Stewart, her line, I think she has size. And you can get gold leaf at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, but you cannot get this gold leaf at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. This is special gold leaf, so they don't sell this kind of gold leaf. They sell the imitation, the fake gold leaf only. So if you want the real stuff, you've got to go on Amazon and buy it there. I'll try to remember to put my link up. So, and of course you can tear it if you want to be more careful, because this is so fragile and you certainly do not want to waste this stuff. Just tear it and try to fit it into your space by tearing. And then you can move it around. See how I'm moving it around and I'm putting it there in that little groove. And when you come back afterwards to do all the cleanup, it's going to look much better. Like right now, it's in the gluing stage. So when I come back and do all my brushing, it's going to, this messiness will go away. But it's that simple. It's very, very easy. It's just messy, and that is part of the process. So you can't, there's no way to avoid the mess. It's nowhere near as messy as glitter though. So at least there's that. And see how I just spread it? It's just an incredible product. I absolutely love this stuff. Okay, I think somebody is here at my door, so I'm going to have to sign off, but I just want to show you guys what I am doing. This is leafing, and this is the glue that I use. So that's it, you guys. Lots of fun. Thank you.